Okay, today we're working on the Subaru. I haven't had the Subaru on the channel, I don't think. This is the car I got for my parents earlier this summer. I think it's been 3 or 4 months. I'm doing the first oil change. A little bit different than what I'm used to. Different oil. It's 0-20, so the intervals in which you change the oil is a little bit more. It says 15,000 miles between oil changes. I probably won't wait that long, probably 9 at the most. Filter's up there, which is pretty convenient. Underneath it has a heat shield. So I was pretty worried. I'm like, I don't know. I don't want to take this whole thing apart. But nope, there's a little cutout. There's the oil pan when you take it out. So I'm gonna drain it. Change the filter up top. That should be it, pretty straightforward. Okay, I managed to take the drain plug off without making a mess of the driveway. Looks about done. I'm gonna change out the filter up top. Filter is right next to, pour the oil back in. Pretty easy. Gonna be using this little tool. Just grabs a hold of the filter, take it off. Got some nice dings on there trying to get it off. Gotta put the new one back on. Okay, back underneath, make sure the drain plug's on there tight, not too tight, don't want to strip it, and then just wipe away any oil I got there. Now I gotta pour 4.6 quarts into there. I have a 5-quart jug, so it's gonna be kind of tricky measuring out exactly, but I'll be checking the dipstick when I get close. Okay, I'm not sure if that's coming up on camera, but yep, checking the dipstick. Looks good, the engine's hot, just a little bit higher. Got a little bit left to the oil. That's it. Now you gotta go inside the car and see if it has one of those things that track the miles or tracks the time between oil changes to reset that. Try to see if it has an oil reset. It's not coming up. Looked online, just says press info and hold it, but just switching it out. There's no guidance, so let's go blank one. Press and hold. Nothing. So either it doesn't have it or it comes on later, but either way, oil change is done. The car does have low miles. The same thing when I bought my car new, I typically wouldn't want to wait until the oil change is due because you don't really know how old the car is, because yeah, it's a new car, but you don't know when it left the assembly line and got to the dealership, if it was sitting there for months or weeks. So better to be safe and change it out soon than just stick to regular maintenance after that. That's gonna be it for this video, changing the oil on the Subaru Crosstrek. Thanks for watching.